Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll take a closer look at how Shuffle works. You may wonder what Shuffle is, but let me explain. Imagine you have a nationwide business with locations all around the country. Let's say you have content that is nationwide, content that is local, and perhaps content from third-party advertisers. The nationwide content is maintained by people at your headquarters, local content by people at the locations, and advertising content from multiple advertisers. With Shuffle, you can set up how content from these three different sources, or let's call them playlists, are played on your TVs. Let me show you how. Let's start by creating 3 playlists. This first one is nationwide content. Let's add some content using our multi-create functionality. Then a playlist for local content. And let's also add some content here. Finally, let's add a playlist for advertisers and some content. Now that we have 3 different playlists, national content, local content, and advertising content, I can go to Groups and Schedules. Let's create a new group, name it, and choose a default playlist. Now, open up Schedules. Setting up the schedule works just like any other schedule. With these 3 playlists, the content will run playlist by playlist. The schedule will run the full national content playlist, then the full local content playlist, and so forth. But when I activate Shuffle, I find Shuffle Ratio underneath my playlists. Now I can set the shuffle ratio for each playlist. Let's set national content to 2, local content to 1, and let's set advertising content to 5. What this means is that the schedule will play 2 slides from national content, then 1 slide from local content, then 5 slides from advertising content, and then it will start over. Let's check how this looks on a TV. Note that I have added an overlay so that you can easily recognize what slide and what playlist is played on the TV. First, we have slide 1, and then slide 2 from the playlist National Content. Then slide 1 from local content, and then slide 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 from advertising content. You'll also notice that Shuffle will start on slide 3 from national content when the cycle is over. Shuffle will always keep track of what slides have and haven't been played in a cycle, so that all slides will be played on the TV. I'll let the content run so that you can better understand how Shuffle works. Thanks for watching.